Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make soji because of the prayer that's coming up. Most of them can use it for prayer. So we need the ingredients as semolina. I'll be using half of this 500 gram. So we have rama, that's 200 gram, and we have a quarter teaspoon of coloring, a teaspoon of elaichi, and 2 sticks of cinnamon stick. And then we have our sugar, that's half cup, and our tin milk, that's half cup, and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. We're out of saffron. So we're going to have our milk, that is, I'll measure it to 750. And I'll show you the shortcut way, since I'm from the old school. This is what we'll do. We'll put these ingredients to boil. There's a pot. We use our 750 milk. gram rama, and put it all into boil away. Half a cup sugar, when using tin milk you can cut down your sugar to.
If there was no tin milk, how much sugar would you use?
You could use like a 3/4 cup sugar. Okay. A teaspoon of vanilla essence. And then if we have saffron, you can use half a pinch of the saffron. So we stir these ingredients and let them boil till your rama melts away. Now that your butter is melted, you can add on your coloring and stir. When cooking for a prayer, you can substitute your rama for your veg ghee or butter ghee. And always use the liquid coloring because the powder coloring has salt. Now we'll measure 250 of the semolina. You can also use tasty wheat. Is it 250? Pour it to a plate because you have to check the semolina doesn't have any other items in it. It is boiled. You pour it into a heavy flat saucepan and let it to fry out. You're going to make the semolina get a little brown with your cinnamon stick in it. Okay, you have to keep stirring your semolina till it turns into a lightish brown, not too brown. And now you'll need an extra and to help you to pour your milk into the semolina. Now the semolina is sort of done, so you keep stirring. And there goes the extra hand. Go slowly, gently, while I keep stirring and stirring and stirring, so don't form into lumps. Stirring. You can lower your heat if you're not fond of getting burnt.
And you do a good job with the pouring.
You always do a good job. You are going to be an excellent cook. The day when a girl will marry you, they'll be very fortunate. Keep stirring and avoid it become lumpy. But as long as you keep stirring on a little lower heat, and then you add your powdered elaichi. You can get the smell. It's like an ice cream smell. Now you have to keep stirring till it thickens. And see, it's getting thick. It will start getting nice and smooth when it cooks away. Now your soji is done. You can actually throw in your almonds or your sultana, what you want. I normally call it currants too. But we don't have those ingredients today. You can see. There you go. There you are. We will dish it out into a small bowl and then add our fresh cream to it. That's the finish.